class, I wanted to give you a quick little lecture, an introduction on how to do the quizzes in this class and how to submit them. So I'm going to turn to Canvas. Okay, so for each quiz, you're going to have the option of choosing one poem usually that you're going to be analyzing. Do make sure that you read the instructions. You choose one poem, annotate it, right? Each line should have at least one annotation. Use poetic terms and devices that we've talked about in my lectures and in your class discussions. Your poem response should be about 1 to 2 pages, and you must provide direct quotes from the poem in your discussion of what it means, right? So let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this Robert Frost. So I'd click on the link and download it onto my computer. And here it is, right? And what you want to do is annotate every line. And remember, you always want to number the lines. So you'd want to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also remember, these are stanzas. So this would be stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3, and stanza 4. So you'd want to refer to lines by, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. You could also refer to the stanzas. You don't have to do that, though. And then also you want to annotate. So I'm just going to give you an example. You want to make sure you annotate at least every line. I'm going to choose a color I'm going to use, and I'm going to basically add annotation here, right? Whatever it might be that you want to annotate and add to it. You can just summarize each line, what you think it means. You could talk about the images in it. You could talk about the metaphors, the irony, the tension, whatever it might be. Just add that. You can also define terms. That counts as an annotation, whatever you want to do. But that's basically how you do it. And then when you get to the end of the poem, this is where you would start writing your analysis. So add analysis. Okay. So you turn in the poem that's been annotated by you as well as your 1 to 2 page analysis. Okay. And then what you do is you would save it, however you plan to do that. And then when you're ready, you would just click on the submit button, and it gives you an option to choose a file off your computer, and then you can submit the assignment. Okay, so that's how you would do your quizzes. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know.